First up, this is a big race for space supremacy. Just a week after the UAE launched an orbiter to Mars, China has speeded up its space missions. It has now launched Tianwen-1. It is China's ambitious mission to the Red Planet and the country's first-of-a-kind exploration program that will include an ambitious space mission to collect scientific data from our solar system's fourth planet. China has joined the elite club of space powers. Today, Chinese authorities launched a mission to Mars from Wenchang Satellite Launch Center on Henan Island in South China, using one of its most powerful rockets, the Long March 5. The Long March 5 is carrying a 3-component spacecraft, which will include an orbiter, a lander, and a rover. While the orbiter will observe Mars from a distance, the lander and the rover are tasked with landing on the planet and exploring its environment. China has named its Mars mission after a long-verse Chinese poem Tianwen, which means questions to heaven. The mission is a 3-staged process and has a rover which is 1.85 meters high and weighs 240 kilograms. The rover is also carrying 6 different kinds of payloads such as terrain, multispectral camera, surface detection radars, magnetic field detectors and measuring instruments. It is powered by solar energy and will last for about 92 Earth days. Along with the lander, it is also expected to collect data on the planet's surface composition, geological structure, environment, and also help in the local path planning. The rocket is expected to reach the gravitational field of Mars by next February. However, the rover landing is expected to take place only in April next year. This is to identify a proper landing site and map high-resolution photographs for observation.
实际上，这一次我们火星车和月球车，我们对它的动力系统等等各个方面都进行了一些改进。我们要对我们的着陆区，我们还要进行详细的勘察，给我们的火星车给它更多的信息，让它能够走得更稳，走得更好。
China has hugely expanded its space program in the recent years to compete not just with the US and Russia, but with several other emerging space powers like India. Today's launch in Henan marks the second flight to Mars this week. Earlier, remember, the UAE had also launched an orbiter. One of China's major competitors, the US, the Trump administration is already planning the launch of its 5th rover, Perseverance. America is the only country to have landed a spacecraft on Martian soil, and it has done so 8 times since 1976. Currently, NASA's Mars rovers InSight and Curiosity are operational. There are 6 other spacecraft that are exploring Mars from an orbiter, 3 belonging to the US, 2 from Europe, and 1 from India. The ExoMars Trace-CAS orbiter is a collective mission between the European Space Agency and Roscosmos, a Russian state space enterprise. India, on the other hand, also launched its first ever Mars probe in 2013, with the rocket entering the Red Planet's orbit in September 2014. As of now, India's mission has completed 5.5 years in orbit around Mars, is currently sending 2 terabytes of imaging data and high-resolution photographs of Phobos, a satellite of the Red Planet. Space experts believe that the race for Mission Mars has intensified as countries are trying to take advantage of the period of time when Mars and Earth will be the closest to each other, approximately at a distance of 55 million kilometers. A few weeks earlier, China had also launched the final Beidou satellite to compete with GPS-like navigation system developed by the United States.